In this video, we're going to solve another example of case 2, wherein we are starting with a favorable passbook balance. Let's get into the question. On 31st March 2015, the bank passbook of Radha showed a balance of 15,000 to her credit. Before that, prepare a bank reconciliation statement. In this question, they have not given us any balance as per cash book. So we have to start with the balance as per our passbook. 15,000 rupees credit. So let's write that down. Balance as per passbook credit 15,000. So some items I'll have to add, some items I'll have to less. Okay, before that date, she had issued checks amounting to 8 issued. Okay, keywords are issued amounting to 8,000, out of which checks amounting to 3,200 have so far been presented for payment. Okay, Radha has issued checks worth rupees 8,000, but only checks worth 3,200 have been presented to the bank for payment. So what does this mean? The balance amount has not yet been presented. That means rupees 4,800 has not yet been debited from our passbook, from our bank account. In our cash book, we have recorded that entire 8,000 has been deducted. So our cash book balance is lesser. But in our passbook, only 3,200 has been deducted, not entire 8,000. So what should I do? My passbook balance is now more than my cash book balance by 4,800. So I will deduct 4,800. Checks issued but not yet presented. $4,800. 8,000 minus 3,200. Okay. Okay, let's see the next transaction. A check of rupees 2,200 was deposited by her into the bank on 26th March, but it is not yet credited in the passbook. So in this case, our cash book balance is more than our passbook balance by 2,200. So what are we going to do? Cash book is more, passbook is less. I want to equalize, I will add. Add 2,200 to our passbook. Check deposited but not yet cleared. Let's see the next case. She had also received a check of 500, which, although entered by her in the bank column of the cash book, was omitted to be paid in the bank. Okay. She recorded 500 rupees in her bank account. She got a check and she recorded that she has received, but that check has not yet been presented to the bank, so it's not yet credited only in the passbook. So our cash book balance is more than our passbook balance. We'll have to add. Checks recorded in the cash book but not presented to bank. Rupees 500. On 30th March 2015, a check of rupees 1570 received by her was paid into the bank, but the same was omitted to be entered in the cash book. Okay, so this is reverse of the previous one. She has received a check and she deposited in the bank, and that got credited as well, but that was not recorded in her cash book. So her passbook balance is more than her cash book balance. If she has to equalize, means she needs to deduct 1570. So let's less that. Checks deposited in the bank but not recorded in cash book. $1,570. Okay, what's the next one? There was a credit of rupees 150 for interest on current account. Let's break this. And a debit of rupees 25 for bank charges. Now the bank account has given her an interest of 150 which she has not recorded in her cash book. So her passbook balance is more than her cash book balance. Now if I want to equalize the two, I'll have to deduct bank interest not recorded in cash book. And debit of bank charges for of rupees 25. So bank has deducted 25 rupees and this has not yet been reflected in our cash book. So our cash book balance is more than our passbook balance by rupees 25. So I will add it back. Bank charges not recorded in cash book. Rupees 25. Okay, now let's calculate our cash book balance. 15,000 plus 2,200 plus 500 plus 25 minus 4,800 minus 1,570 minus 150. So the balance as per her cash book is 11,205 and it's a debit balance. It's positive. Positive balance in a cash book will be debit balance. Debit. 11,205. Positive. So this was the problem. If you have any doubts, please feel free to reach out to me in the comments. I'd be glad to solve your doubts. And with this example, we come to the end of the series. We come to the end of examples wherein we are starting with a favorable passbook balance and we are coming to a favorable cash book balance. In the next set of videos, we will see how to make a bank reconciliation statement when our cash book balance is unfavorable. That means it has a credit balance. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.